back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a 3 easy step way to make real icing. So the ingredients you need is 3 ounces of egg whites. You can use any extract or flavoring if you want. I have almond. You can use vanilla or lemon, any kind. And 4 cups of powdered sugar. Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to cover this over, and then we're going to whip it up for 2 minutes on low. And I'm just going to turn it on. We're going to put this over, and add this, and add the egg slowly. As you can tell, you can see the dust getting everywhere. Cover it up, and we're gonna wait. Oh, and now we're gonna add the 1 tablespoon or teaspoon. Ooh, it smells so good, guys. There we go. It's a little thick. Alright, so now I'm just going to add it in here. Alright, I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to shut it off, guys. So now I'm putting cream of tartar in. You don't need to put it in. It just helps it keep it white. So now I'm just going to add it in. Okay. Smells so good. Oh. So, it smells so good, guys. Alright, now we're going to turn it off. Alright, so this is when you want to add your coloring, but I personally like to keep it white so we can have a bunch of different colors and decorate a whole bunch of different things. So, yeah. Alright, so this is the perfect consistency, like glue consistency. And we're gonna add water to make it filling and to outline it so we can Alright guys, so this is what the finished product will look like. Cute little flowers. And this is the fun part where you could color the icing and have fun and be creative. So yeah, you just think positive, have fun, and just you can express your feelings and just have fun, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye.